Hey, what's going on, man? I'm gonna give you a rundown of what I got going on with this here Chrysler, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's get a cold start, see what's going on. Okay, so today we got the package. This is everything that comes in it for the conversion for the Brembo brakes for the rear calipers. Oh man, I guess this must be the parking brake thing. I'm not sure. Oh no, this is. I guess it is. I don't know. But we're about to get to it now. Got the wheel off. About to take this caliper off, and then put the other caliper on. I have no way of. I got my tripod right here, but I have no way of really filming it. So what I'm gonna do is, as soon as I take a part off, I'll just jump back in and show y'all what I did. Check back in. Okay, so I got the brake off. So I'm gonna have to trim this piece here. I have to trim that some right there. And I'm gonna have to trim this bolt a little, where the bolt go. Trim a little piece off so the thing will fit. This is what it is. I'm gonna. Okay, so we back on camera. I got everything on right here. I didn't disconnect this line for the brake line yet. That's what I'm gonna do last, so I don't drain out too much fluid. But I got it on. I didn't have to cut that bolt down there at the bottom that I thought I had to shave. I didn't have to shave it. The only thing that I did was cut a little piece off of the dust shield. I don't even know where I put it. But I cut a little piece off the dust shield, and that was the only thing I cut off. Yeah, I don't know where I put it. Oh, here it is. That's all I had to cut off for this whole thing to go on. So now I'm about to disconnect the brake line, hurry up and connect the other brake line, so I have very minimal bleeding to do. Back in. Okay, I'm back. Okay, I switched out the line, connected it. So we on. 4 bolts. This thing is on. That joint is on. It didn't drip no brake fluid, so hopefully I ain't gotta bleed it. But there we have it, man. That thing took me about, I don't know. I wasn't checking the time, but I haven't been underneath here for an hour yet. I was dragging my feet because I thought it was gonna be a little bit harder to do, but I think we got it. I go to old joint, we go to new joint. And then we already did the front. We already did the front with the SRT spindles. You dig what I'm saying? So now, he just messed up, so we had to throw him in the cage. Bad dog. Bad dog. But yeah, man, my joint officially an SRT, baby. Hey. Okay, so there it goes. It's all done. So, but like I say, fuck with 70797 performance parts and accessories, man. That's where I got that from. To put the BREMBO'S on my factory spline for the rear. They also have it for the front too. You know what I mean? So this bag, I didn't use it. I don't know what it's for, but there was no place to put this. Everything is there. Everything is working. I didn't even have to bleed my brakes. I didn't take it for a drive yet, but the brakes feel pretty good. So now I'm about to get in it and see what it do. Say what's up. Hey.